Okay, we're gonna work on the butt side of the bike now. We need to get this butt thing off of here, butt guard off, because we gotta flip this thing around to get clear that clamp up here. This big ass thing right here. So we have to get the butt guard off. So he's gonna take his butt guard removing tool and pop it. It appears I'm going to take this bolt on both sides, and then there's probably a screw or nut up under here. It appears to be a nut up there. And probably got a bolt. I bet you there's a bolt that's in here. You think there's a bolt that's under here? You got a little screwdriver here to pop that off?
No, it's gonna come right off there.
It's just the studs welded to the fender. It's a genuine part. See how it's got a number on it?
Genuine.
DOT number. Tells you the year. Tells the year it was in there. See a number? See DOT. Should be a part number in there somewhere.
SAE.
Hard to read it.
It says 1736-5 SAE 2778DO.
No dash number? I know it goes before 5, so the light should go back to about 97 or 8 or something, probably. Be my guess, unless they made 2 different ones, which they could have. They all look the same to me. Back in the day, they actually had the number on there had to tell you exactly what year it was.
That's what they do on cars, right?
Yeah, original lenses. All your original lenses have codes on them. Yeah, the numbers on them tell them what they are. The DOT numbers. This one's an SAE over here. These lenses go back to 84, as I recall. I think 84 is the first year of those lenses. Those are the big lenses. Before that, they had small lenses. Is that the Torx in my head? You got a ratchet extension right there you can just grab. Grab that 12-incher and the ratchet, the big ratchet, right there. Yep, right in front of you. You got that new ratchet. You got to test out that new ratchet. So you have a 12-inch extension, so you can clear the vehicle when you're working on it.
There's a nut on the back side of that.
And the nut's turning? I got it right here. It's right here, ½ inch. I got it. Tools are out already.
She's tight.
See, I use the other tool to hold it. The other wrench. Okay.
Brilliant.
Right there. Look at that. I'm using a bolt head over there. It also damaged those threads, so it makes it like a locking bolt after that.
What do they call that? Russian Loctite?
Is that what that is? I don't know. Gonna get my Russian viewers pissed off at me again. This time I'm using a chrome to do the locking
Stop
stop.
watching your Model A shows.
Yeah, that's the way it goes.
It costs us some money.
Yeah, I'll just blame on the Ukrainians.
There she is. She's a beaut.
Yeah, it's a butt piece. It looks better already.
Does. How much better does that look? Especially when you get rid of these things.
It looks a lot, but I wouldn't put that back
I
on.
want to.
We got to put this bolt back in then.
Yeah.
Got a bolt?
I'll just get on and order that stuff.
No, let's get the bolt back on there. Let's put the bolt back together. We'll leave that piece of crap off. Where's your bolt? Put it back on. We got to run all the bolts because you can't leave out half the bolts. Yeah, put the wrench through there, not the bolt. Yeah, that's fine. Hold on. What's going on down there?
It's that Russian Loctite.
You know, I have a zip gun over there. It makes this job a lot easier. I hope you're going to tighten it more than that. That was kind of like a pussy torque.
Well,
I thought it said it was supposed to be 50 foot-pounds. What the hell was that? That was not 50 foot-pounds.
listen, This is temporary stuff here.
No, tighten it up. It's not temporary. I'm not putting it back either. I'm not taking it back apart.
Well, you don't understand. All that doesn't go back in. None of this can go back on. It's
Yeah,
part
but-
of this process.
Yeah, but we're leaving it on for now because you don't have anything else to put on here.
You have to be on that. I've been looking at them. They've been in the cart. You know.
Yeah,
Do I, don't I, kind of deals. You know how that goes.
card hasn't been filled in yet.
Make it a little easier on you.
Okay, installed. It looks so much better already. Every time you take a piece off a road turd, it makes it look like a real bike.
Let's get down to the bare frame.
It looks like an FL after you get all that road turd shit off. Looks a lot better.
I can't argue, man.
There you go.
That's basically what we're going to turn her into.
There you go. All right, there you go. That's how you do it. Make
That's
your
how-
road turd, make the road turd better looking.
What do you think Harley would charge you to do something like that?
$100 in well, no, they charge you an hour minimum, which is $200. Or maybe 175. I forget the minimum over there, Harley. Okay, how are we gonna do this so we can show us dropping this bike as we move it? Okay, we're gonna do some fancy maneuvering here in a little bit. Be back.